Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pin a message on your Telegram channel. Whether you're a channel owner, admin, or just learning your way around Telegram, this quick guide will help you keep important updates visible for everyone to see. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Go to the channel where you want to pin a message. If you manage multiple channels, make sure you've opened the right one. The pinned message feature is a great way to highlight announcements, rules, links, or anything your members need to notice immediately. Once you're inside your channel, scroll through the chat and find the message you want to pin. It could be something you sent yourself, or a post shared earlier. When you found it, simply tap once on that message. You'll see several options appear on your screen. Next, select the option that says Pin. Telegram might show you a couple of choices here, one that pins the message for everyone, and sometimes one that only pins it for you. If you're managing a channel, choose to pin it for everyone so all your subscribers can see it right at the top of the chat. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and press Confirm. Just like that, your message will appear at the very top of your channel. Members joining later will also see it pinned above the conversation, making it easy to find key information without having to scroll. If you ever want to change or remove a pinned message, simply tap the pinned banner at the top, unpin it, or replace it with a new one using the same method. That's all it takes to pin a message on a Telegram channel. It's quick, simple, and keeps your important content front and center. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more updates and tips to make the most out of your Telegram experience.